Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Alif Eka bin Syarul. My metric number is T1023F1002. Right, so I would like to do a presentation for my subject DPU40092 Entrepreneurial Management Information System, and my lecturer's name is Sir Muhammad Ehsan bin Uthman. Alright, so I'm student from Polytechnic Metro Johor Bahru. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so we continue. Right, so for the introduction, I would like to talk about my company that I was intern until right now, and yeah, the name is ANA Smart Concept Sdn Bhd. It's a Malaysian company that specializes in the installation and design of smart home system and electrical solution. The company caters to residential and commercial clients, offering services such as automatic lighting, CCTV system, smart switch, and integrated energy management solution. So my objective for the presentation is first to explain the role of management information system, is mean MIS, in business operation, and to explore the fundamental components and activity of information system, or we can call it as IS, and to identify and evaluate ethical and social issues associated with the use of IS in business. Okay, so yeah, the basis of information system is dimensions of information system. First one is for technology, so it encompasses the hardware, software, and networking infrastructure used to process data. And then the second one is people dimension. It involves users such as employees, IT professionals, and customers. And last one is organizational dimension. It refers to the company, business, processes, organizational structure, and culture. Right. Basic activity of IS. The first one for me is input. So data is collected. It means like from customer order or job that request, and then processing. Data is analyzed and converted into meaning information such as pricing, scheduling, and the other thing. And for the output, processed information is delivered, invoice or something like installation reports, something like that. And then lastly is for the feedback. Output is used to adjust the system or processes like customer review or staff reporting. Okay, so for the component of IS, first one is hardware. So for the hardware, we use computer, printer, router, used in the office and on site, and then like the other thing that we use like at the site is something like for the hardware, we still use the computer at the site because we want to open the plan when we need to change something as possibility. For sometimes bila kita ada masalah dekat site yang kita tak dapat nak selesaikan, so cara yang mudah tu adalah dengan mengubah balik plan daripada asal kepada yang terbaru dalam keadaan yang serta-merta dengan cepat. Okay. Next, software tools such as AutoCAD, Excel, WhatsApp, and invoicing system. So yeah, untuk penggunaan AutoCAD ni memang satunya software yang memang sangat selalu digunakan untuk membuat drawing dari segi tak kisah apa-apa jenis permintaan daripada customer seperti mihrab, kabinet, signboard dan sebagainya yang kami layankan lah daripada permintaan customer. And then for the data, customer records, job history and installation data lah, and then people, so for the admin, sales team, technical staff, and lastly for the process from sales inquiry to installation and the feedback. And then for the business information system example like sales and installation system, coordinates information system where, and then the admins enters customer job details is for input, and system schedules tasks and allocated technicians processing, and then the report and the feedback generated after job completion, output and the feedback. So MIS basics is have three. Okay, so for the one is hardware, and the second one is software, and the last one is networking. So for the hardware, basically we use like the office PC, printer, mobile device used by technicians on site, and then CCTV control panel and smart home hubs during installation. Okay, so for the software, for the design software we use AutoCAD. Okay, AutoCAD for electrical planning also, and the other thing yang saya dah terangkan sebelum tadi lah. And then productivity tools, we use Microsoft Excel for codes and inventory, and then communication tool like WhatsApp, email, and also the other social media like TikTok, Instagram, and the others. And then assembly and organizational of IS components is hardware and software are integrated to support the workflow, and employees are trained to use mobile device to update progress and access job details remotely, and all systems connect to a central database where customer and project data are stored. Okay, so for the networking, there will have a three type of networking, ataupun kita boleh cakap dari segi network tu. Yang pertama kita ada LAN, is for local area network that used in the office for internal communication and data sharing. And then we have a one is meaning for wide area network, used to connect with cloud service and remote access. And then we have a MAN or CAN, not directly used but potential for future expansion into smart city infrastructure, ethical and social issue in information system. So I would like to talk about ethical issue first in IT application. So first, we have a market power exploitation, used for exclusive access to technology to dominate local markets. And then we have a fair pricing, ensuring that pricing systems are transparent and not manipulated. And then confidential information, technician and staff must not misuse customer data such as home layout or personal schedules. Okay, so for the social, first is trust in business relationship, ensuring client trust the company to handle their data securely. And then we have power and hierarchy, admin and management role, must fairly distribute system access and not misuse power. And then next, digital dividers. Some technicians may lack full digital literacy, causing inefficiencies or error. And the legal implication of IS, responsibility and accountability. Like staff are accountable for how they handle and update records, and then privacy compliance must comply with Malaysia's PDPA, Personal Data Protection Act, regarding personal information. And then we have intellectual property, use of licensed software and protection of in-house designs. And for example, AutoCAD licensing, original smart system blueprint. So for the conclusion, I would like to give you the point from summary of key points and recommendation and reflections. So for the summary of key points, first, MIS is critical in supporting efficient business operations at A&A smart concepts neighborhood. And then information systems are made up of technology, people, and organizational elements, and hardware and software tools play a crucial role in daily operations. Ethical, social, and legal issues must be addressed to maintain trust and compliance. And then for the recommendation and reflections, training. First is training. So provide regular training for staff on the ethical use of IS and digital tools. And then data security, stringent policy and access control to protect customer data. And then second one is system upgrade. So consider investing in the integrated MIS platform to streamline operations further. And then awareness is the last one. So ensure all staff understand their role and responsibility within the MIS framework. So that's all from me. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.